Hi, Mr. Bass here and welcome to another one of my videos. I'll be showing you how to change your air filter on an Audi A6 2016 diesel. It should be the same for all the Audi A6 diesels from 2014 onwards. Undo the clips that holds the pipes on top of the air filter housing. Then you find the airflow meter underneath. Simply unplug it by pressing the little button underneath and pulling it. Then you gotta undo that Jubilee clip. You can use a 7mm socket or a simple flathead screwdriver. Detach the air pipe, then you gotta undo the Jubilee clip which is on the other end of the same pipe. Then you can also detach this end of the pipe and take the pipe out completely. Now in order to get to the air filter, you gotta undo the lid of the air filter housing. You can do that by pressing that little clip, that locking clip, outwards and turning the lid anti-clockwise. Then you just gotta pull it out. It should just come out and the air filter would be inside. You can just pull the air filter out. And you might find some leaves and stuff inside the air filter housing. You can just take them out. Then grab the new air filter. Make sure it's the right size by comparing it with the old one. Then make sure it goes in the right way around. The smaller circle should be underneath. So just go in and it should just push in and slot into place. Now once the air filter is in, you can put everything back. Grab the lid for the air filter housing, which has got the airflow sensor inside, and you gotta line it up and turn it clockwise to click it back in.
It's your daughter, yeah? Yeah. It's okay, she goes on YouTube, yeah? Yeah.
In order to line it up and get it in place, you're gonna have to use both hands. So I'll have to put the camera down and use both hands. Once you got it lined up, it should just slot in. Then you just gotta turn it clockwise just to lock it in place. Then you can just put everything else back in, like put the air filter pipe back in, tighten both Jubilee clips, remember to put the airflow sensor plug back in. And after you clip those little pipes back in place, everything should be done. More videos coming soon. Like my heat kit, please subscribe and share.